Howdy. It's March 1st, 2018. It's a Thursday. And just picked up a little package. So let's take a look and see what that might be. Just bear with me, please. Alright. Well, turns out it's a Brownells, one of these new Brownells retro rifles, a M16A1 replica, I guess you could call it. And let's see what we got. Alright, well, first thing we got here is this Brownells 20 round AR-15 magazine. And what else might we have? Let's see if we can get something a little bit better. Got a storm blowing in the background, keep blowing the friggin' door open. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, so anyway, here's the rifle. Now the cat wants to get in the way. Come here, kitty. The strangest thing, as soon as you hit the record button, all that stuff seems to happen. Anyway, let's see. Alrighty. Okay, don't know what this is. Not marked in any way. So, it's your traditional handout from yesteryear. So you get one of those, and well, here she is. So let's see. Smart Brownells Incorporated, Montezuma, Iowa, USA. Model brn-16a1, caliber 556 millimeter. It's got the traditional grip there, and let's see what else, if I can get this on camera. The teardrop forward assist, and your traditional A1 sights up here. And let's see what else we got. Okay, I guess I might have to take the handguards off to see the barrel markings. It's got, if you can see this, where is it? About there. It's got some markings there, and there's your traditional triangular grips. So anyway, let's see another look. Let's get rid of this. Toss that. lightweight. Trigger ain't too bad. Let's take a look at this bolt assembly. But of course, unlike the Colt SP1 right over here, it's got your regular takedown pins, not that stupid big fat screw that you have on a Colt SP1. Alright, let me open her up. She's kind of stiff. Let's see what we got here. It's hard seeing what you guys are seeing on this crappy little camera screen. But okay, anyway. Damn, it's stiff. And there we go. So yes, it really does have a traditional M16 bolt carrier group, the way it should be, the one that was intended for the rifle, not these chopped up things. There's that. Put her back home. And has this buttstock here that does not have a trap door. And of course, one of the main reasons I got this was I wanted one that looked as close as possible to the one I went through basic training with, and especially when I arrived in Germany in 1981. This is very close to what it looked like to what I was issued, and through which I carried throughout my entire Army service. And well, that's it for now. Might do a follow-up video later on, but I just wanted this real quick video to say I got my nice little toy here. And well, that's it. So if you want one, you better get one. And at the time of this video, they're talking all sorts of crazy stuff about banning AR-15s. So anyway, folks, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.